sorry.
Oh, that's all right.
Let's do a monthly forecast for November for the fire sign Aries. Only take what resonates and leave what doesn't. You may take nothing at all. So if you haven't found us on our social media platforms yet, please do follow us on our Instagram account at Ems Guide, on our Facebook account at Ems Guide Tarot Reading, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for your daily dose of tarot readings. So, the theme for this month for the fire sign Aries is hunger. So, this is actually not physical hunger, but this actually pertains to maybe emotional, spiritual, and mental hunger. So, maybe for the month of November, this will be your theme, or this is the general theme of the month of November for you guys. You might be craving for something emotionally, spiritually, or mentally. So ask yourself, what are you craving for, or what are you hungry for? Okay, so for the month of November, for the zodiac sign Aries, I feel that there are some regrets that will be coming in. It feels as if the energy is that you are planning something. You've been planning something for a long time, and parang hindi matuloy-tuloy or palaging nauudlot yung planong ito. And it makes you wonder ano ang rason. You're that parang there's that thirst and hunger for a new adventure. Pero yung mga plano, hindi talaga siya natutuloy, it seems. Kaya parang nakita niyo yung base card dito, which is the Five of Cups. You're actually looking at the spilled cups, the 3 cups. Hindi nyo nakikita yung 2 cups dito sa likod. So, parang, for example, if you're planning to go out of the country, nakabili na ng mga tickets, nakapagplano na ng itinerary, pero, for some reason, hindi, parang nauudlot yung plano nyo. So, ganon yung energy ngayong November. It seems like there would be a lot of wasted resources. So the next card that came out is the Two of Cups. So, it feels as if you want to be with the people that you love. Whether this is family, friends, a romantic partner, you want to spend time with them. Kaso lang parang may obstruction. So, it can be work, it can be things na nagkakaproblema kayo. So, for example, you're planning to go to another country or spend your vacation with your loved ones. Pero, work is on the way. Parang nakakasagabal yung trabaho. Kaya kayo parang may resentment na part of you really want to take a break. You want to have that vacation. You want to spend time with your friends, with your family. Pero, hindi mo rin maiwanan yung responsibility about yung sagabal dito sa pagte-take mo ng bakasyon. Okay, so the next card that came out is Justice. So, it feels as if yung mga nangyayari right now or the things that will be happening this November is all parang tanggap nyo naman na this was supposed to be the path that you are in. But the thing is, part of you is feeling parang a little bit, parang, what do you call this? Parang, bakit? You're questioning why. May pagka-childish yung pagtatanong. Kasi, yun nga, parang, ang tagal nyo nang pinaplano yung gusto nyong gawin. And the thing is, hindi nga matuloy-tuloy yung gusto nyong gawin. And, parang, kunwari, as an employee, wala naman kayong magawa. Kasi directive ng boss nyo na kailangan nyo magtrabaho. So, parang, you're just going with the flow. Pero, there's this bitterness in you na, why is it that I cannot take a break? Why can I not have my vacation? Why can I not have time for myself or my friends or my family? With the next card here, the 7 of Wands in the upright, parang nafe-feel ko na talaga yung energy na pagod na kayo. Pagod na kayo about working probably. It feels like, kunwari, ang dami nyo nang pinagtatrabahuhan, pero hindi nyo pa rin makuha yung gusto nyo. For example, yun nga, nagpapakanda hirap kayo sa trabaho, pero hindi kayo makapag-ipon. So, parang iniisip nyo, can I not take a break? Can I not have an adventure? So, parang since you're a fire sign, you want to have that zest in life na parang yung magsaspark ng adrenaline nyo. Yun yung hinahanap nyo ngayon. Kasi, life is sort of routinary. Nakakapagod, puro trabaho, yun ang nangyayari. Pero, at the back of your head, syempre, yun nga, alam nyo naman na wala kayong magagawa regarding this. With the Page of Cups and the reverse, the clarifying cards here are saying, may bitterness. Na parang, sana sobrang yaman ko na lang, na kaya kong i-afford na hindi na lang magtrabaho. Yun yung parang nakikita kong download na, sana I have all the time in the world. Sana meron akong madaming pera para makapag-travel. Sana hindi ko na kailangan magtrabaho ng ganito, yung ang dami kong tinatrabaho pero wala namang bumabalik sa akin. Yun yung energy for November. Okay, so the last card here is the guidance for you guys for November, and the Page of Pentacles came out. So, the guidance is saying, you're wanting to have stability. Stability when it comes to resources. Whether this is resource na time, money, sana meron kayong enough time or enough money to do everything that you want. And the guidance is saying, your celebration might not be anytime soon, but rest assured that the people around you are behind your back. Makakapag-antay sila. So, parang kunwari, if you really want that vacation or you want to take a break, you need to file a leave. So, it's either, yun nga, work-life balance. Yun yung sinasabi ng cards. You need to have that work-life balance in your life. Hindi yung pwedeng puro trabaho na lang at wala ng social life. So I will get or I will pull some oracle cards for you for extra guidance. So the first oracle card that came out is set your intention with heart and soul. So whenever you pray or whenever you manifest, you have to put your heart and your soul into it. Kasi if you really want that thing or kung meron ka talagang gustong mangyari, nakikinig ang nasa taas. You just have to really want it for it to be given to you. And the next one is nourish your body with high vibing energy. So, remember, when your frequencies align dun sa minamanifest mo or yung pinagdadasal mo, mas mabilis mo siyang makukuha. So, this is your spread or this is your forecast for the month of November. Only take what resonates and leave what doesn't. You may take nothing at all. And I always tell everyone that tarot is just a guide. At the end of the day, you have free will. Use your free will wisely. So, until our next tarot reading, see you all again soon.